Hello everyone, welcome you all in my new video. In this video, I'm going to solve a problem related to polar flattening of Earth and eccentricity of ellipse. So the problem is the ratio of eccentricity to the polar flattening of an ellipsoidal Earth with equatorial radius E and polar radius P can be expressed as. So this problem can be asked in CSIR exam. So please follow the video. So here given that E, which is equatorial radius, so the value of E is 6378.136 kilometer. Next is polar radius, which is P, which is known as 6356.751 kilometer. So this is the figure. So this is the figure of cross sectional area of ellipsoidal Earth. So this is the 2D. So the shape will be like ellipse. So in this figure you can see E, which is equatorial radius, and P, which is polar radius. So we have to first find the eccentricity, then polar flattening, then the ratio. So it's eccentricity of an ellipse, which is defined as in square root 1 minus semi-major axis whole square divided by semi-minor axis. This will be semi-minor axis whole square divided by semi-major axis whole square. So that will be the formula for eccentricity E of an ellipse. So for an ellipse, the x-axis, this is x-axis, so this value will be known as semi-major axis, and this value will be known as semi-minor axis. So from the figure, E will be in square root 1 minus P, which is semi-minor axis, so that will be P square divided by E, which is semi-major axis, E square. So consider this as equation number 1. So this is the expression for eccentricity of an ellipse. Next is polar flattening. So polar flattening is the ratio of difference of equatorial and polar radius to equatorial radius. So this is the difference of polar and equatorial radius, and this is equatorial radius. So this is the ratio. So and the value is 1 divided by 298.252. So the value will be F, which is equals to 1 divided by 298.252. So here F is E minus P divided by E. So we consider flattening, that is polar flattening, equation number 2. Now we have to find the ratio of eccentricity to polar flattening, that is E divided by phi, E divided by F. We have to find the value of E divided by F, that is ratio of eccentricity E to polar flattening, that is F. So we have to find the value of E divided by F. So E divided by F will be equals to under root 1 minus P square upon E square and whole divided by 1 minus whole divided by, if we write this equation, E minus P upon E, which is equals to 1 minus P upon E. So if we write like this, so 1 minus P upon E, so that will become in square root 1 minus P upon E into 1 plus P upon E. So what I did here, just 1 minus b square is equals to 1 minus b into 1 plus b. So this is the formula I used here. So that will write like this, and divided by 1 minus p upon e whole square in square root, because a you can write square root of a square. So this is the two identity of algebra I used here. So e upon f, which is equals to 1 plus p divided by e, and which is divided by 1 minus p upon e, because 1 this will cancel with 1 minus p upon e, and 1 will remain. So that will equals to 1 plus p upon e divided by in square root 1 minus p upon e. So that will equals to e plus p upon e divided by e minus p upon e. So e upon f, which is equals to in square root e plus p upon e minus p. So the answer will be option C. This one. This one will be the correct answer. So you have to remember the formula, that is the formula of eccentricity. First one, this one formula you have to remember, and other formula polar flattening, which is equals to the difference of semi major axis and semi minor axis, that is the difference of polar and equatorial radius to equatorial radius. So these two formula you have to remember, and the value of this equatorial radius, polar radius, and the average radius of earth. Sometimes the question may ask the difference of polar and equatorial radius. So this is near about 22 kilometer, that is a minus c. Difference of a and c, sometimes the question may ask. So if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you so much.